So once you download JDK software from the Oracle website, so here is a Oracle website. People will also call it as a Oracle. It's up to you how do you pronounce it. So let me just decrease the font size. Right. So this is the location, www.oracle.com, Java Technologies, Java SE. SE stands for Standard Edition, JDK 16 downloads. You Google it, you need not remember this. So once you go to this location, so you just scroll down and you decide which operating system according to that you download. Since my operating system is Windows, I downloaded JDK 16 Windows x64 bin.exe. After downloading, simply double click it. You will get a pop-up. Click on next. It will tell you where it is installing. It is installing in C: program file Java JDK, right? So click next. It hardly takes less than a minute. So installation is over. Very simplest installation. Click on close. That's all. Okay. So double click, next, close. That's all you should do. Now, how do I know it is installed or not? I hope you remember the location. So if you go to the computer, okay, I'll go to C drive. In C drive, we have something called program files. Here I got a folder called Java. In that JDK 16, there are so many folders are there. One of the important folder is bin, right? So out of this, there are a couple of files are important. One is java.exe, one more is javac.exe. So if you want, you have to type something like this. Okay, open the command prompt and I will type java.exe, something like that. Okay, so where you will get all this. But when you install it in your computer, you may not you get this particular command. So let me just show that. Okay, I'll repeat it. Once Java is installed, JDK is installed, you can go to C: program files, Java, JDK, bin. Okay, so this is the location. In that, very important files are java.exe and javac.exe. So these are all the two important files. Every day we use it. Now let me do some changes in my computer where you might face some issues. Give me a second. Don't worry what I'm doing. I'll show you that. Let me just delete it. What I'm doing also I'll show you. Don't worry. Yeah. Sometimes, okay, in your system, when you open the command prompt and type java.exe, you will get this error. So very important error. Java.exe is not recognized as internal or external command. Or if you say Java also, you get it here. Java is not recognized as internal or external command. So very important. So just copy this. If you get below error. So what is the error? So Java is not recognized as internal external command. So what to do? Very simple. First, let us go to the location where Java is installed. Right. So where was it? C: program files, Java, JDK, bin. Okay, let me just copy this. This is the what I've copy pasted. Okay, I copied. Next, I will go to environment variable. I just type env. You get edit system environment variable. You select it. So the next step is edit system environment variable. In this, there is a button environment variable. Click it. And here you have an option called path. So you just click on edit. You click on edit, click on new and paste it. So this is what I should do, right? Click OK, click OK, click OK. I'll repeat it. Copy C column program file Java JDK bin location. Type env, select edit system environment variable. Here there is a button called environment variable. Select this path, edit it, and here click on new and paste it. Already I've pasted it. Click OK, click OK, click OK. This is what I should. Now, when you type Java, your computer will know where is that, what to use it. So let me just open the command prompt. I hope everybody know I am typing CMD to open the command prompt. I will type Java. Now I'll not get the error. It will just print the message usage and it will print it. Earlier I was getting this message. Java is not recognized as internal external command. My suggestion is today only, please download and install Java. Try this. If you're facing any issues, ping me. Okay, you text me. We will solve that so that tomorrow onwards you will not face any issues in writing a program. Do not neglect, do not postpone. Okay, so immediately today only install it. Any issues you are facing after installations, you let me. So how do I open the command prompt? Simply type CMD, it opens the command prompt. The actual way of checking is java-version. You need not write java.exe, right? Simply write Java. In Windows, writing .exe is not mandatory. Simply write java. It will tell you what is the version you are using it. Okay. Similarly, we have another option called javac.exe, if you remember that. Okay. So that also you should get it. Javac.exe. It will tell you what is the syntax and so on and so forth. Don't worry about it. We'll discuss.